Hello friends, first of all I thanks to everyone who liked and viewed my last video, and today I shall discuss about the traditional view of politics and the modern view of politics. Okay, so before starting the video I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Rajdeep and welcome to my YouTube channel Political Study. So this is the second video in my channel. Please subscribe my channel to get my latest video update, and don't skip the video, okay, because it may help you to understand the traditional view of politics and the modern view of politics in a very simple way. Okay, so let's come to the point. First of all I shall discuss about the traditional view of politics. So before starting further explanation about the traditional view of politics, it is very important to know first the meaning of the word traditional. Okay, the meaning of the word traditional. So the word traditional means anything which is existed for a long time without changing. Okay, so this is the meaning of the word traditional, and it was also known as ancient view of politics. Okay, now in traditional view politics is known as political science. Okay, the main thinkers of traditional view of politics were Aristotle, Plato, Locke, etc. Okay, according to these thinkers, politics is the science of both state and government. Okay, and the traditional view of politics is the era between the 6th century BC to Second World War. Means before Second World War it was known as traditional view of politics or ancient view of politics, and after Second World War it is known as modern view of politics. Okay, and it was also more philosophical and theoretical. Okay, means the traditional view of politics was logical and it believes in theories. Okay, and it's mainly study about the political institution. Means the traditional view of politics is mainly focused on the study of political institutions like legislature and judiciary. Okay, and the traditional view of politics are mostly legal, historic and descriptive in nature. Means the traditional view of politics are lawful, historic means ancient, and descriptive in nature means detailed in nature. Okay, and now the traditional view of politics is divided into three parts. Okay, the traditional view of politics is divided into three parts. Point number one, politics concerned with the state. Means politics is related with the state. Okay, there are some traditional scholars who regarded politics as the study of only state. Okay, like Garner says that politics begins with the state and end with the state. Means politics starts with the state and end with the state. Okay, and in Gettel view, politics study about the state. Means politics study of the state in the past, present and future. Okay, according to Lord Acton, politics is concerned with the state, okay, and conditions which is essential for its development. Okay, means politics study state only and the conditions which is essential for the development of the state, and it does not study anything than these things. Okay, now point number two, politics concerned with the government. Politics concerned with the government. Some traditional scholars also regarded politics is only about the study of government. Okay, like Stephen Leacock. According to Stephen Leacock, politics deals with the government. Means politics study about the government and its different activities. Okay, and according to John Slab, politics investigates the phenomenon of the government. Politics investigates means study, or you can say research. Okay, politics study about the phenomena means situation of the government. Okay, both Leacock and Sille says that politics is the study of the government, and in government it includes three organs. Okay, number one, legislature. Number two, executive. Number three, judiciary. So these are the three important organs of the government. Okay, these are the very important organs of the government. Okay, now point number 3, politics concerned with both state and government. There are also some traditional scholars who regarded politics as the study of both state and government. Okay, like Paul Jennett. Paul Jennett says that politics deals with the foundation of the state, okay, and the principles of the government, means it implies the base of the state and the general rule of the government. Okay, and according to Gilchrist, politics deals with the both state and government. Okay, now in a very simple way, politics, traditional view of politics means current problems and issues being faced and handled by the government of the state. Okay, so I hope that everyone understand the traditional view of politics. Okay, now modern view of politics. Okay, now I shall discuss about the modern view of politics. As I have told that before Second World War it was known as traditional view of politics, and after Second World War it is known as modern view of politics. Okay, whereas in traditional view politics was philosophical and theoretical, but in modern view politics is scientific, okay, and practical. And in modern view politics mainly focused on the study of political organizations like political parties, NGOs, etc. And the modern thinkers are realistic, they do not limit polity on state and government. Okay, the modern view of politics rejects the traditional view of politics. Okay, now point number 1, politics is an academic subject which study political relations, means politics is a subject which study political relations. Number 2, politics is the process of struggle for power in society. In modern view, people join politics for getting what? For getting power in society. Okay, point number 3, politics is the process of conflict resolution in society. Okay, if there is an interactions between or among people, okay, it arises because of conflicts in society, and it is through decisions that conflicts are resolved. That is why politics is the process of conflicts resolution in society. Point number 4, it is through politics that decisions are made and implemented. Okay, it is through politics that decisions like laws and policies are made and implemented. Okay, so modern scholars describe politics as the study of power and political system, and both traditional view of politics and modern view of politics are useful. Okay, so I hope that everyone understand the traditional view of politics and the modern view of politics. Okay, in my next video I shall discuss about political theories, and if you like the video, please press the like icon, and if you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can comment me in my comment section and share this video with your friend. For today I have finished here.